Emma starts every morning with perfect discipline. She swallows a small capsule, washes it down with hot black coffee, and gets ready. The sequence is locked in. At 7:15 a.m., her phone alarm goes off. She grabs a cheap orange bottle off the shelf and takes her daily vitamin on a completely empty stomach. She built this habit after scrolling through social media and seeing influencers with glowing skin credit their health to fixing their vitamin deficiencies. She even shared those videos in her group chat. Telling her friends about her morning supplement routine makes her feel responsible. She likes knowing she has her health dialed in. When she shopped for the bottle, she applied simple consumer logic. She assumed all vitamins are identical, read a few positive reviews, and bought the cheapest option available for about 50 cents a pill. She sets the alarms and buys the highest-rated bottle, but her daily routine is flawed at the chemical level. Her body is biologically rejecting and wasting almost the entire pill. The first error starts with the label. Emma is unknowingly taking vitamin D2. Sunlight helps your body produce vitamin D3. Your cells instantly recognize the D3 molecule, fitting perfectly into open receptors. Vitamin D2 is a plant-based alternative. Its molecular structure is slightly different, forcing your body to work significantly harder to translate it. Manufacturers and retailers frequently stock D2 over D3. It costs less to produce, and it sits on a warehouse shelf for a longer period before expiring. Consumers pick up D2 to save a few pennies at the checkout. In exchange, they are paying for a product their metabolism struggles to process. The second error happens right at the kitchen counter. Emma takes her vitamin on an empty stomach with a cup of black coffee. Vitamin D is an entirely fat-soluble nutrient. It strictly requires dietary fat to dissolve and enter the bloodstream. Because black coffee contains zero fat, the stomach has no lipids to grab onto, and the vitamin glides right past the intestinal walls. You can think of this biological mismatch like trying to wash a heavy, grease-covered frying pan using plain cold water. Nothing breaks down, and nothing sticks. Swallowing a fat-soluble capsule with a zero-fat morning beverage means the body absorbs virtually nothing. This healthy ritual is actually a highly efficient waste disposal. The first fix is checking the bottle in your cabinet. If it explicitly says D3, keep it. If it says D2 or just generic vitamin D, throw it out. The second fix is pairing the supplement with a small source of fat. Taking it alongside eggs, half an avocado, a spoonful of peanut butter, or even whole milk provides the lipids your body needs to absorb it. A standard dose ranges from 1,000 to 2,000 IU daily. IU stands for International Units, a standard measurement used for vitamins. A bulk supply of D3 at that dosage costs less than $10 a year. You can also find D3 paired with vitamin K2. K2 is a nutrient that helps direct calcium into your bones instead of your arteries, acting as a chemical guide to put the D3 exactly where it needs to go. Some people try to take one massive dose every Sunday. The human body requires daily consistency to maintain optimal levels, not massive weekly dumps that it cannot fully process at once. Relying entirely on sunlight is also a miscalculation for most adults. Modern indoor jobs, car commutes, and daily sunscreen use actively block the specific UV wavelengths needed for natural absorption. Fixing a supplement routine does not require extreme effort. It requires aligning your daily habits with how human biology actually functions. Jump forward 4 weeks. Emma is eating breakfast, taking a D3 pill alongside her food. The adjustment cost her about an extra $1 for the month. She actually feels the physical results she was looking for. She has sustained afternoon energy, a clearer head in the morning, and improved skin. Tag a friend who religiously sets a daily vitamin alarm but is secretly getting zero benefits. Taking this daily vitamin with black coffee on an empty stomach just flushes your money completely away.